Welcome to Masterclass Mercedes Repair. Today in this episode we are going to be changing the ball joints in this Mercedes. Hi, my name is Monkey and my assistant today is Wrench. Got your special tool?
And my special purpose.
Whew, that looks easy.
So wrench is wrenching. Oh, that's not so good. Gotta get under there better.
Okay, the challenge is to get that nut loose. We're gonna go at it with the impact. I got a 6.13/16 socket, spark plug wrench. I'm gonna put it on this impact. You know, this is a lower brand, economy brand tool. Let's have fun and break the tool.
Just sock it out.
So we got it off with the breaker bar. Bummer. I was hoping to break something. I love breaking tools. Nice.
Damn, well, let's see if I can damage myself here.
I can't feel it. Do this at the same time. I am too lazy to get the impact wrench, so I'm beating on this with a hammer.
Turn it.
So interesting thing happened on the way to pulling this all apart. This piece here, the new one, comes with a pin. This pin, it aligns it. You know, that's down in that hole. When we took this apart, the pin stayed in the control arm. We had to attach vice grips to it to see if we could wiggle it free. That's why it's a mess on this side now. To get it out of the control arm, I had to clamp onto it with vice grips, a small chain through the wider, the open part of the vice grips, attach it to a slide hammer, and then slide hammer this pin out. Now the new piece that has the pin already installed, it slipped right into the hole, so everything is good from there on out. So we're gonna sign off. Good luck with your automobile. I'm Monkey, he's Wrench.